Valentine's Day. It is the day which celebrates romance, love, friendship, and admiration. This day is always celebrated on 14th February across the globe. So, in this video, we'll be talking about some interesting facts about Valentine's Day. Let's begin the video. The most presented gift on Valentine's Day is jewelry. Flowers and chocolates might be the most common gifts you see people gifting each other on Valentine's Day. But according to a study, the category which has stood out in terms of gifting is jewelry. According to a survey, women love jewelry as a gift on Valentine's Day as compared to other gifts. That's why jewelry is the most demanded gift on Valentine's Day. The first heart-shaped chocolate box came into the picture in 1861. The heart-shaped chocolate box, which you see commonly nowadays, was introduced in the year 1861. It was created by Richard Cadbury, son of Cadbury founder. He started doing this in order to increase the sale, and he was successful in doing so. And it would not be wrong to say that it actually worked and increased the sale, as in 2020 more than 36 million heart-shaped box was actually sold. More than 1 million people choose this date for their engagement. Yes, you heard it right. It is true, as what day would be great other than this in order to celebrate love and togetherness? It is considered as the best day to ask for marriage or simply propose. According to a survey, more than 5 million people gets engaged on this day across all the globe. It is also considered as the best day to pop up the question for marriage or for proposal. The shape of a heart is actually a shape of a plant. I know you must be thinking this is weird, but this is what it is. While it is very much easy to draw a heart shape, as we are familiar with the shape, but nobody actually knows the source from where it is being derived. It is said that the shape is being derived from a now extinct plant, Silpium. The plant was used to make food coloring, a cough syrup, and a contraceptive. So this plant was popular back then. Love words are real words. Words also have an association with the day. There is even a real type of words known as love words. The term refers to different birds of species as well as like parrot. They are also known as love mates. This is the reason why people give lovers nickname as lovebirds, because it symbolizes that they are made for each other or they are there for each other. That is why people generally give this name as lovebirds. Valentine's Day is for everyone. Yes, you heard it right. Valentine's Day is for everyone. People think that it is for lovers only. No, it is for everyone. Because it won't be surprising to know the most common person to receive maximum number of cards on Valentine's Day are teachers, because of the classroom type celebration. You can even celebrate this day with your pet. If you really love your pet, then it cannot be better than celebrating this day with them. Basically, you can celebrate Valentine's Day with anyone you love. With your parents, with your family, with your pet, with your friends, anyone. It is for everyone. The US alone spends around 16 billion for Valentine's Day. Isn't it surprising? Yes, it is shocking also. Because if we talk about the most expensive holiday in US, then it is none other than Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is one among the top 3 consumer holidays which is celebrated in US. And in US alone, people spend more than 18 billion on fancy gifts and night outs. That means Valentine's Day is like a festival for them in order to celebrate romance, love and togetherness. And they do it purposefully and they do it with full heart.